Running out of time. I was thinking maybe I'd play hooky, stay home today.
What's up guys, Ronnie here, happy 2018. Our first review of the new year will be the Leap Motion Controller. It is a motion tracking device that is designed to bring your hands into the virtual world. The device is a little infrared sensor for tracking hand position and movements that can be used with or without VR headsets. Now let's take a look at what comes in the box. Inside the Leap Motion capture box, you have the documentation card, the Leap Motion controller itself, then the USB cable underneath. The unit is pretty simple itself. It just has one port for the micro USB connection to the computer. The black surface houses the infrared emitter and camera. It came with two USB cables. The Leap Motion comes with an adapter and USB cable extender for mounting to any VR headset. Installation and placement of the device was simple. You just install the software, connect the Leap device to the computer via USB, and place the device somewhere between you and your monitor. The Leap Motion does a great job of tracking your hand movements and translating them into screen interactions. It could easily distinguish how many fingers you were holding up, as well as the orientation you were holding your hand. There seems to be very little latency from your motions that you make to what's displayed on the screen. The demo software that is available does a good job of showing the capabilities of the Leap Motion capture device. These showcase how hand tracking allows you to interact with your virtual environment. They have examples like picking flowers, picking up blocks, hitting robots, and even manipulating 3D models. We even tried playing known games like Cut the Rope. While moving the cursor around with your hands is a novel feature, it is still not nearly as accurate as using a mouse. Overall, we did have fun trying out all the demos and free downloads. We would definitely like to see some developers adopt the technology in more innovative ways. Right now, the Leap Motion really is a niche item. It does work really well. But at this present time, it's hard to imagine the Leap Motion replacing any kind of conventional controllers. But if you're just looking for some new way to interact in virtual reality, the Leap Motion does a great job and can provide hours of entertainment.
I got coffee, thank you. Danny Whitworth, tween from the Fed. Whoops.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Let us know what you think, or if you want us to check out any other great products, drop a comment below. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. If you want to see more kick-ass reviews, hit that subscribe button. If you want to check out some of our other videos, click the links to the right. Again, this is Ronnie with Dudes Reviews. We'll see you next time.